What's up, y'all? It's me, Sarah. Come by, do a video. I'm up in the car waiting for my mom. I want to show y'all something. Look at this car. That don't make no sense. Ugh, white people do stupid stuff and rad and stupid stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna record this video of me singing. Now my voice is still kinda gone, but I'm singing anyways. And so I'm going to be singing. He is. He is. He is. No, just play. Is the only explanation to the question that like, is the pain gone away in a single day? There's nothing that compares to the way you make me feel inside, and I'm so glad you're mine. Oh, Prince Charming, my angel, my king, and my friend, my lover, my one. He is the beat of my heart, the kiss on my lips, my lover, my one. He is. They can take away my money, my fortune and fame, but as long as you stay here with me, I will be okay. I look at you and I see me, a reflection of love. And I'm so glad you want to be mine. Oh, my angel, my king, and my friend, my lover, my one. He is the very beat in my heart. On my lips, my love, my one. He is my sun, my shine. That's it. Hold that shit.